1462 for the Mustang. A bit of Aussie Ford versus Holden. Classic muscle down on the track now. It's really clean Falcon Ute. Is that a panel van or a wagon? Yeah, it's definitely two-door, but I think it's got glass on the side. So I'm thinking it's a wagon. I might be wrong. I'll have a look when it comes back down to the channel.
Stays and issues on this one, so you want the time recorded. HG, the okay, got this little Type R, DC5R down here again in Rocket Lane, up against the Monaro in the aeroplane lane. I think I'm going to say that this is a turbo K-Series DC5, just the way that it was turned the tyres, struggling for traction, trying to change directions on the way on its last pass. So might have a little bit of a clean up possibly further down the track. Just the holding cars. Yep, no, we're good to go. So we'll get everyone to the stage. Monaro's in the stage. Tegra is there too.